Hey everybody! So I am going to unbox my Nintendo Switch Lite. My sister got this for me for Christmas. This is what I've been waiting for is her Christmas gifts. Um so she mailed it yesterday, and of course, apps they're fast of delivering. So I just got it this morning. Um, I didn't tell her what color I wanted, so I really like the turquoise. So I'm very excited. I'm not gonna show the whole box because there's a sticker on here because she ordered it. And I already opened this and stuff, so that's that. I also got the Animal Crossing, of course. I think it's cute, and it's a good starter game because I haven't. Um, okay, I really hate when people don't read this part. So, hello, hi. Oh, opening. It's like when I got my first Game Boy. Oh my god, this is making me cry. Wow, that's light. Okay, let's get this stuff out. Let's get what we need out. Read that gibberish. That guy. So we got the charger. I am gonna get oh, wow, that feels so good. And here's the switch. Oh yeah. Oh god, that fits so good. That's good for like size my hands. Speakers. Oh, that is nice. Buttons. Oh, so good, so good. Okay, so this is my Nintendo Switch Lite. I deserve it. I really, really do. I worked so hard last year, and what been happening to me, like, my dad. Oh, speaking of my dad, he did not have his surgery yesterday, and we are PO'd. So it's the waiting game. His doctor was not happy the surgeon that was going to do the surgery didn't have the whatever they needed because my dad did not want to be numb down there and be awake. So they didn't have the thing to, knock him out. And the doctor was not happy because, my dad's, TMI, my dad's bladder is the size of football. It's about to pop. He's a ticking time bomb. So, we are we're waiting till 3 months. Not 3 months, excuse me, 3 weeks. 3 weeks. And if we don't hear anything, my mom is going to call, and if something happens to my dad, if it pops, and and you know that could kill him. It could kill him. Um, and seriously, that surgeon is on a death wish right now. There's going to be consequences and probably a lawsuit if it does pop or something else happens. We're hoping it doesn't because we're stressing out. I'm trying not to worry or stress, but it's like, so this will calm me down. This will make me feel better. Um, but yeah, that was happening. I just want to put that in there. But anyways, this is what I got and unboxing it, and I'm gonna, of course, turn it on for you guys. Oh, look, my phone. See, there you guys are. See, See, that's what I do. Yeah. Okay, so anyways, I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna let you guys go. Bye, guys.